Hello, I hope you're keeping well. I have to smile because this is my 9th attempt to record this. I should be getting better, but I'm actually getting worse. I keep making all sorts of mistakes. Anyway, the song I've chosen is Ode to Joy. It seems very appropriate, I think. It's in the key of F. I'm going to do the lesson in 2 bits. I'm going to do an 18A, which is I'll do in a minute, which will explain the chords and how to play the rhythm stroke. And then I'll do an 18B, which is where we'll feature the melody, which is really, because this is the melody series, I want you to have a go at trying to play, if you can, the melody. So, chords first, 18A. It's in F, you need a chord of F. You need a C7 or a C. I'll leave that to you. If you look at the music, which you'll see in 18B, it specifies that you play a C. I actually think C7 is probably easier to play, and I think it's optional, if I'm honest. You know, nobody will bother if you play a C or a C7. There is an A in there. Now, again, you might need to check because it'll be a new chord for some of you. And then after it, you've got a D minor. Now watch the fingering. The fingering is there, and the D minor, you drop your finger from the A, you drop your finger alongside behind the other one. So you get that, you sort of get that D minor chord. You'll have to check the fingering down below, okay? And there's a B flat towards the end, but again, that's fairly straightforward. So, Ode to Joy in the key of F. I would suggest there's 3 different sort of styles of playing the chords. Basically, I tend to do a straight 2 beats on each of the bars. So I'm doing this. Okay, that sort of idea. You can do crab claw, or Scoville crab claw. I'll explain that the second time we do it through. And if you really fancy a go, you can double the chords up. So instead, if you look at the music, it says F2 followed by C7-2. You'd actually do F4, F2. But you'll see, I'll demonstrate that. It's fairly straightforward. The problem with it, I'll just tell you on that one, is that it sounds very messy if you're doing four strokes on each of the chords. But it can work really quite well. You ready? So Fran's done a brilliant job at recording this. I've asked her not to play it too fast. And I think if she had the choice, she would have started to rock it a bit, which once you get the hang of it, we might re-record it and rock along with John, all right? But we'll see. So, Ode to Joy, here we go. Two bars in, and then you need a chord of F, so be ready. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, F. F, F, C7, 2 on each. F, F, and C7 again on 2. F, and C7, and C7, and F, and C7, 1, F1, middle, C7, F, the single chords there, a C7, and then an A, tricky bit that, D minor and C7, F, and B flat, and B flat, and C7, fingerstyle, crab claw, C7, went wrong there, F, you got the idea? Okay, C7, F, and now I would play single chords now, C7 and F, and C7 and F, and C7 and A, and D minor and C7, F, crab claw if you want, F, and I went wrong, C7, okay, double it up, 2, 3, 4, C7, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C7, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C7, 2, 3, 4, F, and yeah, and there's 2 on that and 2 on F, 2, F2, C7, 2, F2, C7, 2, A2, tricky bit, D minor and C7, F2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4, C7 and F. Okay, big finish. Now, I hope that all makes sense. So that is lesson 18A, Ode to Joy, 3 different styles of playing the chords. We will now have a go, if you fancy it, at trying to learn to play the melody for Ode to Joy. Okay, so bye for now. 18B will follow shortly. Keep smiling. Bye.